Place order demo. Open Google and search for Careerdon. Our website will be the top link on the Google results page. When you land on the website, you are free to go through the various services provided by Careerdon. We offer resume writing, CV writing, job portal profile writing, LinkedIn profile writing and optimization, cover letters and resignation letters. If you are interested in making a purchase, click on the Place Order button. It will direct you to our store where we have many pre-designed templates. Browse through all the options on the left-hand side and make a selection. When you add the desired product to cart, you will need to click on Proceed to Checkout button. If you have already signed up with Careerdon, you will see the login page. If you haven't yet created an account with us, click on Sign Up. To register with us, you need to enter your first name, last name, email ID and phone number. Then set a password and confirm that password. When you have filled these details, click on Register. After you have registered, you need to log into your Careerdon account, which will direct you to the checkout page. Click on Place Order to make a payment through your preferred medium. To begin, enter your phone number, after which you have 11 minutes to complete your transaction. Once payment is successful, you will be redirected to the thank you page where you need to upload your existing resume. If you have an existing resume, select Yes and upload your resume, or if you do not have your existing resume with you, select No and manually fill in all the relevant details about your education, profession and other accomplishments. When you are done, click on Submit. You will immediately see a confirmation of your purchase that mentions your order number, payment ID, and order amount. From here, you will be redirected to your account dashboard, from where you can check the status of your order. After you place your order, you have a 12-hour window to cancel it. At the end of this time period, your order will get picked up and will be delivered to your registered email inbox. Within your account, you are free to change or update your profile, or you may continue to browse through our store.